Good morning, guys. Yeah, you know the time. It is now 3:30. Yeah, I wake up and I can't sleep anymore. Good morning, guys. We're just going to the shopping mall. It is 8:35 when I left the house, and the shopping mall is going to open by 9 o'clock. That is how beautiful it is today. Rafael was still sleeping when I left the house. Oh, that kid is going to school. As you can see, with his backpack and his scooter. I am supposed to be working today, but because they canceled my day off last time, so this is the one. This is the replacement. Yeah, some of those are still usable. If you are here, you can pick that up. Yeah, we are now here in the Salamander Bay Square, where the shopping mall is located. We're going to leave the bike here, and you know, I have this thing. Okay, it means it's locked. Yeah, most of the shop are now starting to open. Oh, look at this. If you look at this watch, it's $99. Now it's just $49. Now it's just $39. Now it's just $129. Before it was $219. A G-Shock, huh? Some are Guess, Pulsar. Seiko 100 chronograph was $399, and now it's just $199 and 50 cents. Amazing, big sale, mate. We are here at the Aldi, and I'm going to buy a soap. Actually, this is the usual one that I am taking because these are very cheap. This one, the one that I just finished, is this one, the very blissful. Yeah, it's just $1.99. But this time I'm going to take this one, Dub. It's $3.99. 4 pieces. Yeah. And this thing that you are seeing here this time are some of the weekly special that they have. As you can see, this axe. Yeah, it's $19.99. Very cheap. There are many other things here that if I am actually living here permanently, for sure I'm going to take something from here. Yeah, they are really good, useful, but this time we're just going to take this, the usual one, and this. Yeah, I just finished the transaction that I did in the telecom provider, and we are going somewhere now. It's like, yeah, we're just going to sit here for a while because it's nice. Beautiful. Yeah, look, the water is very calm. Those boat are looks like it's not moving. The clouds is yeah, it's a little past. Nice weather today. The temperature is not really cold. It's just right. Oh, it's good to see those bikers. The couple, they're going for kayaking. But it looks like a paddleboard or surfboard. Yeah, not the usual kayak thing. Yeah, nice. Hey, look at the clouds. It's really beautiful. And it's moving slowly, very slowly. But you can see it that it is moving. So it's good for time lapse. Okay, so let me tell you why I went to the shopping center this early. Yeah, it is because I changed my internet or my telecom provider. Yeah, because yeah, let me tell you, because you know I am renting in the house with the fully furnished, everything are included, and I pay $250 every month. Actually, internet is supposed to be included, but I am not able to connect to their Wi-Fi because yeah, the distance from the main house is a little far. Yeah, so because of that, I decided to have my own internet. For more than a year now, I have 140 GB of data, and I am paying $70 every month. And yeah, that 140 GB of data is just right for me, for my YouTube video, and for my daily vlogs, uploading, downloading music for the YouTube video, and yeah, it was just right. I never exceed 140 GB, so as usual, I am paying $70 every month for more than a year now, and that is my contract, a year contract. And so, and then Rafael came in the house. So because Rafael, I think he said that he has only like 6 GB of data prepaid, or I don't know if it's postpaid, but yeah, those GB of data is not enough for a month. So he asked me if I have Wi-Fi in the house. I said no, I have just my mobile, my mobile data. And then yeah, because I mentioned to him that it's 140 GB of data. And then again, like after a while, he asked me if I can connect, if he can connect to my Wi-Fi, and yeah, I can let him connect. And yeah, and then yesterday, like 2 nights ago, I received a message from Optus that I reached the 140 GB data. It means that they are going to charge me for the next data that I am going to use, and it is 1 GB of data will cost $10. That is expensive, right? And then from time to time, I am receiving a message that I reached the 1 GB extra allowance, and I checked the email that it cost me another $100 for just 2 days, that that I exceed. Yeah, I understand that, what I'm trying to say is that yeah, the extra data costs more than the normal data. And so yeah, that's what happened. So, and then I checked for the possible solution, because I cannot because from 2 days ago until the time that is going to reset the 140 GB of data, we still have more than a week, and I cannot live without internet. I cannot live without Wi-Fi. I actually have like 3 videos that I need to upload, but because I don't have internet, I can have internet, but it will cost me more. And the possible solution is for me to reload a prepaid, but it will also cost me more. Yeah, that is why I went to the shopping center, and I actually googled for some possible solution to get more data, and I found this promotion from Telstra. They have 150 GB of data, $100 every month, and this one is a mobile. No, it's actually a SIM card for my iPhone. So it means that, oh sorry. So it means that I can also use it to call and send message. Yeah, so it is good, because the one that I have with the Optus is just mobile data. I cannot send message, I cannot call, cannot do calling, things like that, just for data. So it cost me $30 more, but I think it is okay, and I think Telstra is good. I hope that when I get home, I can upload the video faster than the Optus one. Oh, they are the couple. Yeah, they are there already. I've seen them. They are yeah, so basically they started here and they roam around, and now they are there, coming back here. Yeah, so it means that I don't need to use this. This is the Wi-Fi, the router that I am using. I bring it wherever I go. for me to have internet. Yeah, I don't need this anymore.